Welcome back. CCP Mayor Surendra Futardo requested Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar to forget and forgive all the things which happened during mayor election. On Saturday, he met CM at his official residence at Altino in Panji, requesting him to work with Congress MLA Babush Monserrat for the development of Panji city.
It was assumed that relation between Surendra Futardo and Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar became bitter over CCP mayor election. Surendra said that whatever happened during the election time should be put behind. He urged CM to work together with Congress MLA Babush Monserrat for progress of capital.
I have told my friend Mr. Manohar Parrikar that in last 10 days, whatever I have said in the print and electronic media, as far as the election of the corporate city of Panji is concerned, I have forgotten, and he should also forget. It was at the spur of the moment, and in politics, all politicians do the same. I requested him that I required his sincere blessings to help me bring back the city of Panjim to his past glory, and he has told me that he will fully support me and back me, and that he too has no problems whatsoever of this election. That was very sporting of him. I told him that Mr. Manohar Parrikar, Mr. Babush Monserrat and myself, along with my 30 corporators, should work together to do something for the city of Panjim.
Goa police has failed to trace alleged terrorist Tariq Ahmed Batlu, who was arrested in March 2006 from Madgaon railway station with explosives. But later he was acquitted by the trial court as prosecution could not prove the case. Goa police had challenged trial court's order in the High Court, and the appeal is pending for almost 4 years because Batlu is untraceable since then.
Goa police recent attempt to trace alleged terrorist Tariq Ahmed Batlu has once again failed. During the last hearing of the state government's appeal against Batlu's acquittal, the High Court of Bombay at Goa on 6th of February had directed Goa police to visit Batlu's hometown, Srinagar, and try to trace his whereabouts. According to sources, a team of Goa police went to Srinagar but could not trace him. Batlu was arrested in March 2006 from Madgaon railway station with RDX powder, detonator, and a hand grenade. He was charged for carrying explosive substance for terrorism, but Goa police failed to prove charges in a trial court. In July 2008, trial court acquitted Batlu from all the charges, and he was released from the jail after that. In 2009, Goa police challenged trial court's order in the High Court, but Batlu never appeared. Previously also, Goa police had visited Srinagar in his search 3 times, but was unable to trace him.
As the prosecution failed to prove charges against Batlu, he was acquitted and released from the jail. Later, state government challenged the trial court's order before the High Court, but it was too late because Batlu disappeared. Now the state prosecution has only one option left, to request the High Court to start the proceeding of declaring him a proclaimed offender. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
All Goa Private Bus Owners Association has strongly opposed Kadamba's Passengers Pass system. According to the association, government's decision to introduce Passengers Pass system is totally illegal. They have decided to opt for a legal course of action against this system. Association has accepted the bus fare hike. General Secretary of the association, Sudeep Tamankar, revealed that Transport Department has issued notification to Kadamba shuttle service to charge bus fare similar to the private buses.
सरकारान स्पष्ट उलोवंक जाय न्हू डायरेक्टर ऑफ ट्रान्सपोर्टान पास सिस्टम करपाक काय हरकत ना जर कितें लॉस जाता तो जर सरकार जर दिवपाक सोदता जाल्यार पास सिस्टम लागू करूं येता पूण हो जो पळय आतां कदंबाकूच पळय तो निर्णय घेतला पळय तो टोटली इलिगल आसा हांव तो तितून सगळ्यो गोश्टी उघड करिना कोण तरी एक आपल्या मॅनिफेस्टोन घालता आनी आश्वासन दिता की आपले सरकार येत जाल्यार आपूण पास सिस्टम लागू करता आनी येता आनी ते कदंबाक थंय वेटीस करता फायदो कित्याक आज ते दिसा तो वाहतूक मंत्री विधानसभेन व्हडल्या मानान सांगता आमी म्हणटा बरें काम केलें 42 कोटी लोन फारीक केला कसले लोन फारीक केलो कदंबान जोडून लोन फारीक केला सरकार एका हातीन कोट्यांनी पैसे दिता कदंबाक आणि दुसऱ्या वाटेन एका टायम ते 42 कोटीचे लोन फारीक करता. हो तर जोडून बोललेलो जाल्यार वालोर आसलो. कास्ट सिस्टम बंद कर म्हणून सांगले म्हणून सरकार बंद करचो ना. तेका लागून कितें ते कायदेशीर तेचे कडेन झगडचें पडटलें आमकां म्हणून हांवें पयलींच सांगलां कितें हांवें आतांच आमची स्ट्रेटजी कितें आहा पळय ती उघड करचो ना. जे कितें पळय पेपर वर्क त्या संदर्भान करूंक जाय आमचें चालू आहा.
Meanwhile, Sudip Tamankar has decided to approach Central Empowered Committee against Mines and Geology Department's irregularities. On mining matter, he will file intervention writ petition in the Supreme Court.
फुडल्या आठवड्यान CECक कळयता सगळें आनी सुप्रीम कोर्टान हांवें ऑलरेडी इंटरव्हेन्शन पेटिशन म्हाजे अलाउड जाल्लें आहा. सुप्रीम कोर्टानूय कळयतलो. इंटरव्हेन्शन पेटिशनान घालता सगळ्यो भानगडी चल्ल्या त्यो.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar plans to make optimum use of waterways to reduce burden on road traffic. He also said that nation needs to think on strengthening and protecting merchant navy. He was speaking at the 50th Maritime Day celebration at BITS Pilani campus in Vasco.
Water and a boat can be almost 15 to 20% of the cost of any other transportation, consuming much less energy and giving much more output, probably at almost in equal time. I think that the nation needs to think about this. Nation also needs to think about strengthening routes, our capacities and protecting our merchant navies, using the abundant river network which the state has. And I can only say that if we do that, there will be a lot of less pressure on the roads, and traffic will be much lesser. I was thinking of why come all the way round to airport like this when you actually can come from Manohar in exactly 5 to 10 minutes through a fast boat. But somehow the things have not materialized. We will definitely do it.
Rear Admiral B.S. Parar of Foga, Captain K.P. Jaikumar and members of Maritime Academy were also present for the 50th celebration of Maritime. Members of Maritime Academy were felicitated by CM Manohar Parrikar. Winners of the Academy were also given prizes. Reporter Surendra Futardo for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.